All right, third graders, let's go ahead and review our spelling pattern for the week. So let's take a look at our spelling cards. The first card, we see that our pattern of vowel, consonant, vowel, with one single vowel in the middle. In the word lemon, we know that when we divide it after the consonant, this becomes short. Le, lemon, lemon. So that is short, and then when we go to the next one, when it's divided after the first vowel, then it's long. So tiger, tiger. All right, third graders, we have made it to the end of our week with our spelling pattern of vowel, consonant, vowel. So let's go ahead and do our last three words. The first word, make sure you have your stuff ready to push up the sounds. Our first word is tulip. What's the word? Tulip. So I'm going to start pushing up the sounds. T, U, O, I, P. Tulip. I'm going to bring down my sounds. T. What letter makes T? T. And I go to my next one. U. What letter makes U? Oh, it says its name. Ol. What letter makes ol? L. I. What letter makes I? I and P. What letter makes P? P. So let's check our pattern. We have vowel, consonant, vowel. Because I hear the long U, I know I'm going to separate it before that L because it makes that long sound. So when I write it, T, U, U, O, I, P, tulip. And in cursive, tulip. Tulip. Tulip was her favorite flower. All right, our next word is camel. What's the word? Camel. Let's push up the sounds. K, A, M, E, O, camel. There are 5 sounds. Now let's bring down the sounds. K. What letter makes K? C. A. What makes A? A. M. 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 E. 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 And O. O. L. So let's check our pattern. Vowel, consonant, vowel. And because I hear the A sound, I know it's going to be after that consonant. Camel. Camel. K, A, M. Then E, O. Camel. He rode a camel in the desert. All right, and our last word is salad. What's the word? Salad. Let's push up our sounds. S, A, O, A, D. Salad. Now let's bring them down. S. What letter makes S? S. Like snake. A. What letter makes A? A. O. O. L. A. 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 And D. 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 Salad. Let's check. Vowel, consonant, vowel. And because I hear A, you know it's going to be after that L. Salad. Salad. So when I write it, S, A, O, split it, A, D, salad. Here's salad in cursive. He had a salad before his spaghetti. Salad. Nice job learning our vowel, consonant, vowel pattern this week, third graders.